We asked him whether chili is not affected by any other disease, and he told us that chili is affected by black spots. That black spot is spread by the fruit fly. When the fly comes onto your crop with black spot, that spot will affect your crop, and from that crop it can spread to another crop, again by the help of the fly. When you weed your garden, it gives it a greater chance to fight against diseases. When you weed your garden, you will not be affected by the black spot, because it comes from the weeds onto your crops. So when you keep your garden completely weed free, you will realize that you will not get affected by the fruit fly. We asked about the other advantages of keeping your garden weed free. The other advantage of keeping your garden weed free is you will get less crops which are affected by insects and pests. And when that happens, it means that you will get greater yields, because a lot of your crops will be good for export. But when you do not weed your garden during sorting, a lot of your crops will be declared as rejects, because it will have the effects of the weeds that are in your garden. So when you keep your garden weed free, it will increase your yields.